JNJ, we're going to take this for a short right here before it breaks here, if we can get in this. Alright, we're in at 133.41. Daily doesn't look great for a short because this thing had been uptrending, but intraday today it gapped down on some news, and now it looks like it's going to make a decision whether it's going to go up or down. Target on this, I like it below 133, well below 133, and stop loss, we're pretty much there. I'm not going to give this one too much because this is J&J. You know what, we're going to come out of this right here. I don't like this. I'll push this up a little bit. Alright, we're out. We're out with about a 40-cent loser. It should have dropped there. It didn't, so it looks to me like it's going to climb. And I'm looking at the market here. The market's putting in a good-sized green candle, so we might take it again later when it turns. We'll see. Alright, see, J&J just popped over to the top here. Now we'll see. If it starts to turn around again, maybe we'll take it. J&J, look at this thing. Popped all the way up to almost 134.50 and then just dropped. When I looked at it, it was already down here, so I'm like, missed that one. I would have jumped in it again. Alright, J&J, we have cracked 131. We'll see how far this thing goes down, and then when we see a little bit of green, we'll jump in it long. Alright, we're going to try to jump in this right here at the bid. Alright, we're in. We got 100. Only 100 shares. Alright, we're just going to stay with 100 here. And if this thing drops, we'll pick up another 100. Target on this one, I like it. I like to get at least a point off of this thing. You know, it's dropping here, so we're going to pick up a little bit more. We're going to let this thing drop a little bit, and then we're going to pick up another 100 shares, probably around the 131 area if it drops there. We'll see how it trades. The market's starting to wake up, so we might pick it up a little bit sooner. We'll pick up another 100. All right, we're going to try to pick up another 100 here. The market's really putting in a nice green candle. So we got 200 shares here. Target on this, I like it around 132.50. Around there, we'll see. We'll play it by ear. We'll see what the market does. And stop loss will be below 131. But we'll trade it accordingly. This thing is downtrending, so. Alright. Put a nice little green spike there, but it's being sold right off. I don't like that. J&J, still dropping here. Don't like that. Alright, here it comes. J&J, we're going to come out of this trade here if we can. Alright, we're out. We're out with, what is that? Took about a 5-cent winner on that. Yeah, it looks like it's just going to continue to drop. It's not done dropping. We're going to see below 131. So I took that as an opportunity to get out. NFLX, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. This looks great here. For a continuation to the downside here, we're in. We're in at 286.32. Let's take a look at this thing up close. This thing had earnings the other day, and it climbed really nice, but it's been dropping since. NFLX. Stop loss on this is going to be right around 287, right above 287 area, maybe 287.50. And target on this, I like it well below the lows here. I like it at least 280, below 285.50. I think we can easily make it that far, especially if we break through this area here. Alright, it's looking good here. Alright, let's try to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. Nice. Nice. We got a little over a point. I should have probably stuck around it because as you can see it's dropping harder. I don't know, I couldn't resist leaving a little over a point on the table. J&J, we're going to try to take this right here for one more shot. It should have dropped already, and it dropped, and now it looks like it's coming back to the top. So we're going to try this one more time here for a long. I think this thing's been dropping for quite some time here. It might even pop down below 131 again, but I think this stock will climb soon. And once it starts climbing, I think it'll climb fairly well, fairly hard, and fairly quickly. But you never know. Let's take a look at this thing up close. As you can see, it's been dropping for quite some time. So target on this is going to be, I like well over 132. And stop loss will be below 130.75 area. J&J, it's looking good here. This is exactly what I was waiting for, but it did take a little bit of time for this to happen. But I think now it should probably climb for a little bit anyway. You know, it went down right to, our stop area was below 131.75, so it didn't quite get that far, but we'll play it by ear. If the market starts to drop, we'll just come out of it. I'd rather have a win than a loss. This thing is downtrending, so I don't want to get too greedy. You know what? We're going to get out of this right here. All right, we're out. We're out with, what is that, about close to 30 cents. Just in case. I see the market. I'm looking at the market here, the SPY. It tried to climb, but then it started to turn around. And it looks like it's heading back down. So if this thing goes down, J&J is going to drop. And I don't want to be part of that. Anyways, traders, that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here. Market is at a standstill. Volume is extremely low. So most likely I'll be stuck in a trade longer than I want to be. So we're going to keep it green. We're up 148. Let's take a look at the trades. 4 trades, 3 winners, and 1 loser. Our biggest winner on NFLX and our loser on J&J. Thanks for watching.